They're all waiting for me to zoom
Finally
in.
showed me. Spicy grilled
After
fish.
the soup is boiled thick, add the crayfish filling. Wow, it's not over yet. For friends in Xi'an, the rice is
New way
fragrant
to eat
and
water.
crispy. Is this one big? Hey, just that one. Weigh it, okay. It weighs 2.5 catties, okay? That's it. I really have a fate with this fish. At first glance, I thought it was suitable for spicy flavor. And we didn't add any side dishes today. It's directly covered with crayfish. The purpose of adding this shrimp is to make it fresher the more you boil it. One piece first. Bring some soup to eat. It is specially said for the fish killer. Shave the hourly workers to eat like this. Wow, this piece. How spicy is this fish? Depends on its sauce concentration. After baking it out, let this skin still pour out. Drizzle the fish steak with soup powder. Fishtail is delicious. Peel with lower mouth. In the sand. Although this lobster tail tastes the same, but the fish is tender. This shrimp is a mouth bullet. This shrimp tail is a bowl at a time. Wow, why are these shrimp shelling so much? Explain it to your beloved friend. We Sichuan and Chongqing people will not let anyone to mix noodles in the universe. Cover this double pepper for a while. Go on the shelled lobster tail. Wow. Professional noodles are waiting for me to enlarge. Finally showed me. Before we make dumpling soup, take this boiled fish soup base washed on scallions. Okay, this should be almost tasty. To eat seafood noodles, squid whiskers. Katagio rice. The duvet has been sitting in the back. This soup is a bit dry. I also want to put the bowl. We are in Xi'an. No matter 3 meals, if you don't suck some noodles, you feel like you haven't eaten them.